It's much easier for me to write about believing in the big than it is for me to truly believe in the big. I read the stories in the Bible about all these miracles happening and God turning into reality things that seem impossible. And I read history and I've seen it in the lives of many people. I've seen it in my life. It's like things that were like dreams that we're thinking there's no way this is going to happen and become a reality. And then it does. Prayers become answered. Goals are reached. Dreams are seen as realities. Why don't we allow ourselves to dream big dreams, to think of those things that may seem like they are impossible? Why can't we pursue dreams like this? I know why I struggle to do it, because I do not like disappointments. I try to avoid disappointments, and I'm often controlled by that desire of avoidance. But there are deep desires inside of us to pursue big dreams, to think somebody small and unimportant like us can do big and important things, that we are made in the image of God, that we are called by God for this time, for these opportunities. Yeah, they may seem impossible, but we say we believe in a God that does like miracles. Let us believe that, and let us choose to live as we believe that. Let's believe in the big and find equilibrium, find balance amid all of our doubts, and believe in the big.